Manila. And then, right after that, approve namin ng second and third reading para pwede namin convene yung BICAM either tonight or tomorrow. So pagka bukas na convene yung BICAM, depende na sa hirap ng mangyayari niya kung may madugo yan o hindi. Hopefully by next week, ma-ratify namin. We will be ready for the signature of the President, except that it will take some time yung pagpirma. Sapagkat it takes a lot of time and documents para ma-finalize it by